Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix the clipboard error in Microsoft Excel. If you encounter this error statement, there was a problem with the clipboard and this will occur while you are trying to copy content from this spreadsheet. So for that, let's go quick into the process. First is we can try to close any instances or processes of Microsoft Excel. But before you can go on closing any instances, you need to make sure that you have saved all your work in the Microsoft Excel. And then go ahead in the Windows search bar and type task MGR. Click on Task Manager under the best match, maximize this. In the search bar, type Excel. Simply make a right click and then you have to select the end task option. So after you have clicked on the end task, that will completely close any instances or processes of Microsoft Excel. And after that, just try to see if the problem has been fixed. Now for the next method is we can simply restart Microsoft Excel. So while you are on your Excel sheet, make sure to save that. Simply close this and then go ahead in the Windows search bar, type Excel, click on it. In this way, you are restarting Microsoft Excel. So just try to see if that will help you fix the problem. Because sometimes a simple restart can fix a lot of issues. So you need to try on that. For the next method is we can use the Open and Repair tool, which is a built-in tool here in the Microsoft Excel. So click on the File tab at the top left corner. You have to select Open, click on Browse. Then you have to choose your work. Click on this drop down arrow next to open, then you'll have this option open and repair. Click on that and simply click on this repair button and wait for the process. And after that, just try to see if the problem has been fixed. Then we can also disable the Excel add-ins because sometimes add-ins can cause issues on your Microsoft Excel. So click on the File tab at the top left corner. Click on More, click on Options. Now you'll find add-ins on the left pane. Click on that, click on manage, then click on this drop down arrow and choose Excel add-ins. Click on go. Now if you have checked or enabled any of the add-ins, just simply uncheck that to disable it and click on OK. And then for the next method is we can also clear the clipboard history of our windows. So we're just going to use the shortcut keys. Press the Windows key and V key together and simply click the clear all option right here for the clipboard history. And after that, just try to open your spreadsheet and try to see if the problem has been fixed. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.